Match you up with the right saw, there's a few questions that we need to have answered. A, what type of material are you cutting? Are you cutting mild steel or an alloy? B, the sizes of the material that you'll be cutting, the minimum and the maximum, and the quantities of each. C, is the material solid or is it tubing? If it's tubing, we need to know wall thickness. D, when you're cutting, what type of cutting are you looking to do? Are you looking for production cutting and where you don't care what the cut looks like, or B, metallurgical style cutting where you have to be real picky and choosy of what the look looks like, such as, lastly, do you want the saw open or enclosed? Benefits of being closed, such as coolant and dust from the blade and the material. To better help you, contact us at 269-382-2050 with your application, and our team members will be there to help you and assist you along the way. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check our website out at www.kalamazooind.com. Thank you and have a good day.